Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is a explosion box swap in Paperimaailma, the Finnish FB group PaperWorld swap, and this is a 101 swap, and we were required to make an explosion box, and I haven't done a single one before this. So this is a die set I used. It did not work very well, but anyway, I used it since I had an idea what to make. The box was the requirement and nothing else, but of course I had to make some extras for her, and let's go through those first and then I will show the box. Okay, and first I made these wax seals, and I have tried this a few times, but this time around I quite managed to make a several tone wax seals, and I used a golden pen as well, but yeah, I like them. They turned out cute. And then I made this little back topper. It's not attached, so she can use it again. And this is Circus. Oh, and the swap was a circus themed, although I have to tell that mine was mostly, or is mostly, carnival themed, or fun fair, or amusement park, or whatever you call it, because I used mostly Maggie Holmes Carnival Collection. I've been hoarding it so long time, and now I have had to use it anyway. I had the opportunity, so I made the wax seals, and then I made some rosettes, and these are not exactly on theme, but I think she can use these in her other, whatever crafting. Hopefully I made this flag thing because there was an empty space and I didn't like it, and so, and then I had to make the tiny mini rosettes and a sequin mix to the theme. And then I made these little bird banners, say fun fair, star, fun, enjoy, and circus. Hopefully she will find some use for these as well. So the main thing, so this was supposed to be, as I said, circus themed. Mine is mostly carousel themed, and some of the papers are just for my stash, and like this is some other Maggie Holmes collection, but I think it went well with this theme. And the box outside, here you go. This is a KS Craft circus tent shaker die set, and I just decorated it a bit, made it very dimensional. And this is from Maggie Holmes, as the other side is like that, and the back side is just these signs, circus and fun fair. And yeah, this is quite dimensional as well, so, and I think it turned out very nice. So let's pop this baby open, and here let's start with the whatever you call this, I forgot now. No, anyway, I made one of these in the kite, one of these in the shaker. I had to put them all in angle because it wouldn't fit in there. So, and I've no idea the die set. I've had it so long time, and this tiny tiny kites, and let's go this way. Then I made these paper piecing 2.0 thingies, the little what do you call this, merry-go, no, this is a merry-go-round, but the other, or carousel, and this is whatever London Eye they say in London, but anyway. And yeah, and then I made this sponge sugar stand, and those 1, 2, 3 prize thingies. And I think this is a KS Craft die set as well, the popcorn. And yeah, and here's the other one of the carousel papers. I had to sew everything, and this is just a little rosette and die cut piece. And let's open this one. Why I said that this die set didn't work very well was because there's are very tight, the lids. Oh, and of course I had to put something in here as well. Sorry. Here's just sets of cutter parts, random pieces and bits, and die cuts and sticker to the theme. And oh my gosh, this is difficult. And another one, I just made these pockets, and one more set here. And of course I had to include the giraffe, my favorite. Okay, so here we go again. I only made these 3 boxes, and yeah, one more this die cut or paper piecing carousel horse. I made these little embellishments. Mostly they all the puffy stickers are from Rose's Studio. And then I'm gifting her some bling pieces, and I made this price tag or whatever with the 2-tone or 3-tone wax seal. And then I'm gifting her some tickets, and they are this little paper clips holding them on place. Sorry, on angle. And this one I have done some time ago, but I think it goes with the collection so well. So, and the last box, I made a shaker lid, and in here is a chunky dangle. This is the most I could fit in there, so I wanted to put some more, but I couldn't because the box was so, well, too small. So I put everything and anything to the theme I just could find in my stash. Circus tent, a carousel horse, some words, gumball machine, drink, candy, ice cream, a little bottle with stars, circus word. I did a lot of wire wrapping beads, and of course the little zebra and giraffe and ice cream again, lollipops, and yeah, popcorn, ice cream again, some ice cream, lots and lots of stuff. So this is my swap, and I hope, here are the lids, and I hope she will like this. Thanks for watching.